Hello, Rayma. I want to play a game. You've lived on this earth long enough, and I've seen what you do to other people, bully them, and calling them annoying. But now it's time you face your consequences of your actions. As you can see, your head is in a device, and in order to save your head, you must pull the right key. But if you pull the wrong key, then your head will be executed. Live or die.